Welcome to the book review that only lasts 1 minute. Brave Intuitive Painting by Flora Bowley. I like this book. It's not in a style that I work, but it's absolutely interesting. She gives you a different perspective on how to look at art and texture and gives you ideas on how to create these textures, how to be bold. She covers materials like every book. She gives you her technique and how she works. She shows you examples of how she does things, how she includes certain techniques, and some of the beautiful examples of artwork. Brave Intuitive Painting by Flora Bowley. This is Doris Charest, and it's the 1 minute book review.